not a great noise to hear. Whether it's a minor collision from reversing into a bollard, other people damaging your car park damage, or stone chips off the road, it's not a nice feeling. When such accidents happen, you could be left picking up the repair bill, finding your vehicle's value has decreased, and being left with unsightly aesthetic damage. That's why we created Cosmetic Repair Insurance. We repair the damage to your vehicle at a location, date and time convenient for you. With the cost of the repair being covered, you can protect the future value of your vehicle and maintain its appearance. You can simply report the damage to our team via our claims portal, by email, or if you'd like to speak to us in person, by phone. Then book a repair location, date and time convenient for you. Our nationwide network of approved repairers will come directly to you to carry out the repair. Our cosmetic insurance carries a 5-star de facto rating. You can enjoy up to 6 claims per year of cover, with no excess to pay, and have the repair carried out at a location of your choosing. Our trained technicians repair your vehicle with the highest quality paints, matched to the manufacturer's paint code, and our repairs are fully guaranteed. Last year, we covered over 50,000 policies and paid out over £5.6 million in claims. Once you are happy with the repair, simply sign it off with our technician. So, keep your vehicle looking showroom fresh with our cosmetic insurance.